So if someone's starting today, they just got a sales job. What
Yep.
would be your advice to them?
Yeah, my advice would be find a coach. If it's not me, find somebody else. But you trying to figure out sales on your own is literally like showing up on the football field with the new helmet that your uncle bought you, expecting to make the varsity team. It don't work that way, right?
Right.
And as you're thinking about sales, if I was you, I would think less in terms of 150 ways to close the deal. Okay, I can teach them how to close a deal right now. In fact, I kind of already did. Stop thinking in terms of witty, clever comebacks and start thinking of training that it really positions you for what I would say my gift that I was born with is situational awareness. But you don't have to be born with situational awareness. You can learn it. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to be psychic. You don't have to have the gift of the gab. But when you start saying things like, hey, Sean, so when you tell me that you guys are not getting the reports you need from your current supplier, can you give me a specific example of what's going on there? Yeah, we're not getting the R246 report, and it's actually the numbers are off, and we're ordering less materials. When you say ordering less materials, like, what do you mean? The client doesn't get yeah, they're not getting what, and how do you guys remedy that when that happens, right? You have to slow your process down in the beginning and learn about that person. So you want to have a sales coach that teaches you situational awareness so that you can have these conversations up front, because when you slow the process down in the beginning, it's very easy to speed up the result in the end. When you simply go, hey, what are you guys looking for? We're looking for a new vendor. Why? Our 2846 reports, we have those. Okay, great, I'll think about it, right? You have to have the skills and situational awareness to where when people communicate with you, it's a deeper conversation. Because what we don't realize, Sean, is it's not what we know, it's if they say it. And more importantly, and this took me years and years and years to figure out, these people don't know what they want. So the more we allow them to talk, the more they're having what I would call a cathartic experience, and they're figuring it out.